Hello everyone again. This is Faizal Garasia from Credit Repair Now. Today we're going to discuss the basics of credit for beginners part 2. In this video, I'll be talking about what your credit score really means. Everyone wants to have a good credit score. But how do you know if the credit score is good or bad? People who are just getting the hang of it, like you, or don't know how credit scores work or what they really mean. It is absolutely fine to not know. Not everyone gets it right the first time. In fact, a recent post on Facebook I saw said, "The first step to success can also be a failure." That's one of the reasons I'm here to pass the knowledge. In the first video about basics of credit for beginners, I discussed the factors that make up your credit score. You can find it on this channel and in the link below if you haven't watched it yet. So stay with me as I explain what credit score means and how you can stay on top of it. But before anything else, kindly hit that like and subscribe button to be the first one to get notified about our credit repair videos. We're always posting new content to help first-time credit holders figure out the overwhelming world of finance and credit. A credit score is like grades you get in college. An A+ would be similar to a 900 credit score. This means the higher the score, the better you are at handling your credit. But unlike your college grades, a credit score isn't a permanent number. It can be improved with the right credit rebuild plan put in place. You can think of it as a continuous process. Here are the different credit scores and what they mean. Credit score categories. The first one is 800 to 900, also known as excellent credit score. This is the highest number you can get for your credit score. This really means you've got excellent credit standing, loan handling, and repayment history. You also get lowest interest rates on your loans, mortgage, and credit lines. So congratulations. All you have to do now is to keep your finances in check and consistently do what you're doing to keep them from falling below 800. Now the second one is the range of 740 to 799. It is also known as very good credit score. This range of scores also mean you have a very good credit standing. If you've given a score between 740 and 799, it means you're responsible with your bills and payments. Since you're still in the good area of credit scores, you are also a candidate for getting low interest rates for all your loans, credit cards, leases, and so on and so forth. The third category is 680 to 739 credit score. It is also known as good credit score. This also means your credit score is good, but it can use some improvement due to your repayment history. Perhaps you missed a payment or two here and there. You have some debts to pay down. But either way, it is still a good credit score, which can get you competitive interest rates. For example, people who are starting a family normally seem to have a credit score in this range. But once all the repayments and debts are paid down, you can easily climb up the credit score ladder and grab better interest rates. The fourth category is 580 to 669 credit score, also known as fair. These scores are normally seen in beginner of credit users. This usually means your credit has encountered a few problems in the past, but nothing you can't handle or turn things around. For example, you have a student loan weighing on your financial standings after you've graduated. As soon as your student loan is paid off, your credit score can skyrocket as long as you don't make any major purchases or have too many credit inquiries. It pays to focus on one loan at a time before applying for a new one. The fifth category is 580 or below, also known as poor credit score. When you see a credit score of 580 and below, it means your finances aren't doing so good. It is disheartening, but again, nothing is written permanently when it comes to credit scores. You can still turn this around by getting professional help from credit repair companies. You can shoot your credit scores up with proper credit management and guidance. So, to summarize, knowing what your credit means determines where you are in credit standing. It is your credit report that lenders base their trust on when it comes to lending you big or small amount of a credit product. And to those who find themselves face to face with a bad credit score, it is not the end of the world. I'm keen to hear what you think about the basics of credit repair for beginners. Please leave your comments and stories below. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell button to get notified on the upcoming new videos. Until next time, thank you for watching again.